Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into Tekton again, and this is going to be a video over their recently released, probably within the last 6 months to a year, and then some tools and things that they will be releasing within the next month or month and a half. So stay tuned, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have used Tekton before. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. Okay, so first up on the recently released within basically a year or so, one of the major things that you don't see a lot of is their toolboxes. They actually recently released toolboxes. They are made in Canada. They're extremely heavy duty, decent sizes. I believe they're about 30 inches deep, so they're a decent, good quality toolbox. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but they're a good quality box. It's not like my Husky box or anything like that you're gonna find in Home Depot or Lowe's or anything like that. They're gonna be a higher quality, more like your professional brands that you would see in the shop. And then that I'll throw a picture or two up in here of those, or at least one example of them. But everything that I talk about in this video, or a majority of it until it is released, will be down in the description. There will be the Tekton website, so you guys can go ahead and check that out and see if you guys are interested in any of those. And check out anything else. They have a wide variety. I'm just going to talk about just a few things. So besides their toolboxes, they have the recently released USA made crow's feet. They released, I want to say about 2.5 years ago, maybe 2.5 years ago, I want to say, they released the angle wrenches made in the USA, and they were sold out for at least the first year. I mean, as soon as they came in stock, they were gone. Came in stock, they were gone. It was ridiculous. And the crow's feet made in the USA, once again, phenomenal quality, made the same way as their angled wrench sets. So really good quality, really nice, and as soon as I can get my hands on them, I will be doing a review over them. But if you guys are interested, you can check them out in the description below. But also, if you would like them and they are sold out, there is a button there for all their products. If something's sold out, you basically click it and it will notify you when they're back in stock. It'll send you an email so you can get on that right away, so you have a chance to purchase them. So you don't have to constantly check in and see if they're in stock. So they have the USA made ones, and it's not just that. They also come with a variety of different organizers. You can buy the crow's feet just by themselves, or you can get them on a couple different design organizers. And one of them I think is really cool because it kind of just sits in slots where you can easily grab it. The other one is a pole design. I'll be throwing up pictures of these as well. The only downside of that, it is a nice organizer, especially if you're like a mobile mechanic or anything like that. But let's say you need a larger size, you basically got to slide off. As far as what I can picture from what I see, it looks like you have to slide them all off to get that one specific crow's foot. Other than that, it's a really nice organizer. The other one's really nice because you just kind of drop them in place, and it's really nice. So go ahead and check those out if you're interested. Other than that, they have updated their impact sockets. Now, if I remember correctly, they were all chrome vanadium before, and they only had the laser etching, which some people thought was a downside because it rubbed off over time. So they have revamped them and re-released them. They are now not only laser engraved, but they are also stamped. So you have two size markings on each impact socket, and they're not all chrome vanadium anymore. They're actually chromoly. There's a mix. So another thing that Tekton does, they supply a lot of information on all their tools on their website. But something that's new that I thought was really cool is this little, hopefully I throw a picture up. They show you exactly what each specific tool is made out of, whether it be chromoly or chrome vanadium or anything else. It's really cool. They kind of, if it's this color, this is what it's made out of. If it's this color, you know, you get it from seeing the picture, obviously. So I thought that was really cool. Another thing that they released were their long flex head ratchets. They've recently released within the last year or so their new design ratchet, which is a 90 tooth instead of a 72 tooth, and a much slimmer and stronger design. This is their long 3/8 drive. Love this ratchet. But more recently they released their semi-locking flex head long ratchets, and I absolutely love these as well. It's got a much stiffer position to hold its position the way they did the semi-locking portion or the detent. So really nice ratchets here. It still works. Other than that, besides their new ratchet design and new long flex head ratchets, they also have their new hard-handled screwdrivers. Within the last few years, they designed this. This is their high torque handle, and then more recently, they released their hard handle, which is a square design, which I really enjoy. They have like the 6-in-1s where you can get whatever bits you want for it. The handle here is made in the USA. For the 6-in-1s, the handle is USA, this is Taiwan. As far as the actual screwdriver sets themselves with the hard handle, this is going to be a all made in USA screwdriver. And I have a 12-piece set, I believe, of these, and I absolutely love them. Very durable, extremely comfortable. So go ahead and check those out, as well as the high torque ones. And then that's really it as far as recently released. Now getting into new releases. So first up is going to be the high torque, which is going to be this tri-lobe handle design, which I find extremely comfortable and extremely durable. I really like this. Other than that, they're going to be releasing a new set, and it is going to be their like master 63-piece set. It is going to include the screwdrivers, it is going to include the nut drivers, and it is going to include the Torx drivers. So it's a very large set, 63 pieces. Obviously, they're all going to have this really comfortable, awesome handle design. So I think that's a really cool release. So I look forward to seeing that soon. Next up, they are improving and re-releasing their impact bit sockets. Now, you guys already know, if you've purchased bit sockets in general, let alone bit impact rated, it is very, very hard to find bit sockets that stand up to heavy use. And so they are going to be revamping their impact bit sockets and re-releasing them. So we'll be seeing the changes in those, so stay tuned for those. Another release will be their 3-in-1 Stubby driver. So I'm going to just assume, they don't have pictures released yet, I'm going to assume it's going to be this design, but the stubby handle, kind of like their 6-in-1, but a 3-in-1 instead. But that's just a guess from the understanding of it being a 3-in-1 driver and this being the 6-in-1 driver. I'm just going to guess that it's this handle design, but once again, it will be released within the next month and a half, so we will be seeing updates throughout that, so I'll keep you guys updated. Other than that, they also have more wrench organizers coming. Well, I believe it's just wrench organizers. It could be more organizers in general, but from what I understand, it is going to be more wrench organizers. So we're going to see what they have to offer for new wrench organizers. Other than that, the one thing that I get almost most often is, where did I get this hat? Everybody wants to know where and how they can get it because it's not on the site. So I actually got this at the PRI show, I believe, a couple years ago when I was there visiting and checking them out. And I didn't even know it wasn't sold on their website. I don't know if it was sold previously on their website and they discontinued it, or if this was just something special that they had at one time that they never really released to the public. But they will be releasing hats. So they're gonna have a couple different styles. I don't know if the flat bill will be one that is available. Right now they just have one image of a hat style coming soon. It is a curved bill, and you can get it in 2 different colors. You can get it with the red here, and I'll post up a picture, and then you can also get it in gray. I believe it'll be all black, gray in the back, and then gray stitching up here where it says Tekton. So those will be available, and we'll see if there's flat bills to come after that. But I know a lot of you guys were asking, so there it is, and I believe they're like $16. So once again, Tekton stuff is always priced really well, and I've had really good results with all of my Tekton tools, so that's why I share them with you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up once again, and as always, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.